So I'm gonna make a quick review of this mic. Let's start off with a quick review of this mic. It's called the Fifine. You see that? Yes, it's not a bad mic, eh? It's a USB mic, so that's also makes it a little bit easier for first-time streamers. It's my guess. And this is currently recording from the mic itself, and that's it. And here's another microphone on my bed. It's a straight XRL to audio. So let's test it out. So it's really easy to set up, but I don't want to do all the setup. I'm just gonna plug it in and test it out for you guys. Whoa. Yes, this is currently coming from the ZINGYOU, but it does come with a pop filter. I don't know if that makes it sound any better, but I'm currently speaking into the mic. If it sounds really quiet, that's probably why, but I'm currently using OBS to film this. So OBS has these filters, as I can share with you. Filters, nice filters, really nice filters. As you can tell, once I have this off, it has a lot of background noise, but the same with other mic too. So this is ZINGYOU, and you can hear everything. The slightest clicks, right? And however, because this is OBS, if you plan to stream, you should definitely have noise suppression. Compressor is up to you if you want to play around with that, but noise suppression for sure, so it doesn't have any of that background noise. Yeah, that's basically it. You probably want to hear both of them. So this is the Fifine. Pretty nice, right? This is with the filters. This is ZINGYOU, and I'm speaking right directly into it. You need to get really close. I think if you want to scream, this would definitely be better. But if you're planning to stream like moderately, like talking volume, I would suggest this mic. This mic would definitely be better for streaming, because you can also control the input audio. As I am turning it up right now, but I'm still speaking at a consistent voice. This is max, and you could turn it down. As you can see, all the way down basically is muted. So yes, I usually keep it in the middle for purposes, but yes, that's it. Thanks if you stayed this long. Thanks for watching, and maybe wrong side, I will open some lead pack someday, but I don't know when. Yeah, just a quick review if anyone deciding what to buy.